Today we're going to create an amazing AI film, just like a real zombie movie, with high quality and completely free. I'll also explain YouTube's new policy, which will make you happy and bring you many benefits. According to YouTube's new policy, the videos on my channel will now be available in 9 different languages. To watch, simply open YouTube, play the video, go to Settings, Audio Track, and there you'll find 9 languages. You can watch my video in English, French, German, Hindi, Italian, and many others. The video will automatically translate voices into these languages, so you can enjoy it in your preferred one. You can also watch any channel's video in multiple languages this way. Now let's talk about AI videos and how you can create them for free. If you're worried about monetization, don't be. According to YouTube's new policy, channels that only upload duplicate or copied videos will not be monetized. But if you create your own original content, your channel can still be monetized. So the key is to make your own content that looks real, like an actual film. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Don't skip any part because every step is important. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. After that, paste this prompt. I will give you my YouTube description. You just need to copy and paste it. Right, give me a short film story of 400 words. Now, ChatGPT will create the story for you. If you want a bigger story or a shorter one, just tell ChatGPT how many words you need and it will write it exactly that way. Once the story is ready, we will move to the next step. Now please give me 10 image prompt in detail and add a massive zombie in every scene. Now you will get the image prompts, but if they are not detailed enough, I will write them again. These prompts will be very powerful and amazing. They will create scenes that look just like a real film. Now the prompts are ready. Next, we will start making images. Use Pixelmator for making AI images. It is a very good website for creating AI films and it gives you daily credits for free. This is the best website and I personally use it myself to make real AI film style images. Now I will select the 16:9 size because this is the best size for YouTube. That's why most people choose it. After that, I just copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Pixelmator. Then the image starts generating, and you can see it creates amazing, realistic, and powerful images. This is how I keep pasting prompts one by one, and every time it makes great results. Why I use Pixelmator. Pixelmator is a powerful platform that enables users to create cinematic films with a truly realistic feel. It offers advanced tools for producing high-quality visuals, breathtaking effects, and immersive storytelling. Designed to give projects a professional edge, Pixelmator delivers smooth transitions, dramatic elements, and movie-like quality. Whether you're a filmmaker, digital creator, or storyteller, Pixelmator is the perfect tool to bring your imagination to life. Now all the images are ready, and I give them numbers according to my prompts. For example, the first prompt image is saved as zombie, the second as zombie02, and so on. This numbering helps keep everything in order, so when we create AI videos later, it becomes much easier to arrange and use the images properly. Next, for making AI voice, we will use 2 websites. The first website is luvoice.com, which is a very good platform. I open it, then copy a part of my ChatGPT prompt and paste it there. On this site, you can see many different voices available for free. By using these, you can easily create AI voice. I select one voice and now
the world is thrown into chaos when an unknown virus spreads across the globe, turning in.
You can see how amazing and powerful it looks. The second website for making free AI voice is OpenAI TTS. It is also a very good website with high-quality voices. I simply paste my prompt here, then select the voice I like. After that, I click on Create Speech and the AI voice is generated. You can listen to it and see how clear and realistic it sounds.
Virus spreads across the globe.
This is truly an excellent website for AI voice creation. For making AI videos, I will use 3 different websites. With these websites, you can easily create AI videos daily. By using them regularly, you can make at least one AI video every day without any problem. The first website is called Kling AI. When you log in, you get 166 free credits with one Gmail account, and with that, you can make up to 8 videos. It is a very good website for creating AI videos. To start, I go to the AI video section, then upload my first image. After uploading, I paste my prompt and the video begins to generate. It may take a little time to process, but since it is free, it's definitely worth using. The second website is called destruction.give, and it is an amazing platform. It gives you 300 free credits, which you can use to create around 10 videos. After that, it also provides daily credits, so you can continue making AI videos easily. Right now, you can see that I have more than 3,200 plus credits in my account, because I have been logging in for many days. This allows me to create a large number of videos without any issue. The best part is that even if you don't use your credits, Degen.ai keeps adding new credits to your account daily, just like in my case. That's why it's a great website for anyone who wants to make more AI videos. Now, we will create an AI video on this website. It is a very good platform. I simply click on Create, then go to Upload and upload my first image. After that, I paste the first prompt, prompt image 1, and click on Generate. The video will start creating. In the same way, I upload the second image, paste its prompt, and again click Generate. The website takes a little time, but with this process, you can easily create 2 videos together. Within about 10 to 15 minutes, your AI video will be ready. The third website is called Pixverse AI, and it is also a very good platform for creating AI videos. When you start, it gives you 90 free credits, which allows you to make about 3 videos. After that, it provides daily credits so you can continue making videos regularly. The process is simple. I click to upload an image, then paste my prompt, and finally click upload again. The video starts generating, and as you can see, the result looks really amazing. Pixverse is a very good and amazing AI website, and you can see how beautifully it creates videos. In this way, AI videos are created on all the websites, and you can see the results are really amazing. Now I save these videos, and for the final editing I use CapCut, which is a very good software for video editing. It's free, simple to use, and comes with many features like filters, effects, music, and transitions, perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here, I edit my video, add some effects, and now my final video is ready. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions related to videos, feel free to message or comment, and I will reply. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will bring another new method for you. Thanks again for watching.